All right, so I started getting the project ready to get work done, and I got on the four-wheeler and realized that when you start it, it's making this awful popping sound. And then I started realizing either there's a hole in the exhaust or the header is not all the way bolted on, because if you look at it from this side, it don't look like it's all the way bolted on. But I'm not sure. I gotta figure it out. I don't want to blow this thing up, but it's got a really nasty popping noise coming from it when you start it. Then I decided I'm gonna make a video, and we're gonna do the same thing to that four-wheeler that we did to this one. We'll soup it up a little bit for them, but I'm not gonna tell them we're buying any of this stuff. I'm just gonna get online and buy it, because it's all cheap stuff from Amazon. So let's see how fast we can get it to go. No picking on the cats, John. She had a wild